Am I handsome in this pose?
It's perfect, sir. When I'm done drawing your handsome silhouette enough, the work you see next is not a photographic work, but just painted with a watercolor pen.
Are you serious?
Oh no!
What to do if you made such a little money today?
Mom, BH is very good.
You can only live in a tent with him, don't you?
He's already trying.
I still advise you to break up with him.
Well, say no more.
Sorry, Hua, only earned a little today.
It doesn't matter, BH. It's more than yesterday, isn't it? As long as we work together, sooner or later we will live a happy life, won't we?
I think it's time for me to put down the artist's shelf and not let Hua down. Meow, but drink, good drink, cheap, healthy. Does anyone want to taste it? If you drink it, you can't be as handsome as me.
Mom, he is really working hard. He has been promoted to become a supervisor. And our family is getting better and better. Fighting today,